Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to export Blender projects step by step. So whether you want to use your model in a game engine, another three-dimensional application, or simply share your work, this guide will walk you through the export process. First, launch Blender and open the project you want to export. Before exporting, make sure your models, materials, and object positions are exactly how you want them, since the exported file will reflect your current scene. Next, click the File menu in the upper left corner. Move your cursor over Export to display the list of supported file formats. Blender supports many popular formats, including FBX, OBJ, STL, GLTF, GLB, Alembic, and more. Select the file format that matches your needs. For example, choose FBX if you're exporting to many game engines, OBJ for broad compatibility with other three-dimensional software, or STL if you're preparing a model for three-dimensional printing. So selecting the right format is important for your workflow. Once the export window opens, review the available settings. Depending on the file format, you may see options like exporting only selected objects, applying modifiers, including materials, or adjusting scale. Choose the settings that best match your project before continuing. Now browse to the folder where you'd like to save the exported file. Enter a file name, then click the Export button. Blender will process the project and create the exported file in your selected location. After the export finishes, open the destination folder and confirm that your file has been created successfully. It's always a good idea to check the exported file before importing it into another application, and that's how you export Blender projects. Once you know this process, sharing your models with other software and workflows becomes much easier. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.